in the quiet mountains of Japan before the first light touches the trees. A gentle heat still lingers in the ashes of the hearth. Not quite fire, not yet cold, just warmth, waiting. You might not believe it, but people here once made breakfast in the ashes. Not over the fire, not in a pot, but in the ash itself, buried deep beneath last night's embers. Dumplings made from millet, chestnuts from the hills, sweet potatoes, each tucked gently into the warm gray bed. Left overnight and quietly cooked by morning. Here's the wonder. About 20 centimeters beneath the coals, the ash holds steady at around 80 degrees Celsius. Not hot enough to burn, not cool enough to spoil. A perfect, natural steam oven, hidden in plain sight. And it's not just heat. That gentle temperature activates enzymes like amylase, which break starch into sugar. So the sweet potato doesn't just soften, it becomes sweeter. This was no accident. It was tradition, passed down through hands, not recipes. Mothers would knead millet into small dumplings called hae mochi. They'd press them firm, then bury them in ash before bed. No alarm clock needed. By morning, they were ready, warm and nourishing. A kind of breakfast that needed no flame, just time. The hearth wasn't just for cooking. It was the heart of the home. Children huddled around it in winter. Elders tended the fire, keeping it alive with care. Ash was more than leftover dust. It was memory, still warm. A rhythm passed down, not written, but lived. If you've ever eaten a chestnut roasted in ash, you know. The sweetness, the scent, the soft resistance when you bite, then the warmth that spreads through your mouth. It's not the same as baking, not the same as boiling. It's something slower, something in between. This way of cooking is more than a technique. It's a way of living, of using what you have and wasting nothing. No oven, no electricity, just fire, ash, and patience. Even today, some elders still say, ash remembers what fire forgets. In today's fast world, we chase efficiency. Timers, buttons, instant meals. But here, in these ashes, is a reminder that time, heat, and care can create something simple and unforgettable. So next time you see ashes, don't think of what's lost. Think of what's waiting. Sometimes the best meals don't come from flame, but from what lies beneath it.